I am back after कोई 10 months or maybe 11 because it's almost mid-November with a favorites video. Yes. Not that मुझे इन महीनों में कुछ पसंद नहीं आया था. I didn't like anything or nothing really stood out. I liked a lot of things. I even thought about filming. मैंने सोचा काफ़ी दफ़ा, but then पता क्या होता था, I couldn't actually get myself to sit here and talk about things. I moved the curtain. Sorry. तो अब क्या हुआ, पता है हर दफ़ा ये क्या होता था. I used to think कि I used to make list कि मैं ये करूँ, ये मैंने बात करनी है फेवरेट्स की वीडियोस में जाके. And सोचते टाइम इतना गुजर जाता था that it used to be mid the next month का हाफ हो जाता था. I used to feel like नहीं, अब ज़रूरत नहीं, अब next month हो गया है, so it's not really necessary that I do that right now. ठीक है, but a big fat but this month, as in this is an October's favorite, and I thought I have to do it. अभी भी मैं काफ़ी हद तक इसको मिस करा चुकी थी, लेकिन अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमेशा की नमाज़ पढ़ी थी, and I suddenly had that kind of, उसके बाद मुझे एक दिन adrenaline rush हुआ, and I was like, I'm a filmer right now, which exactly is what I'm going to do. लेकिन अभी ऐसे नहीं, because I know you read the title and I know you guys are wondering what's the special announcement, what's the celebration for. So we finally hit 100 subs here on YouTube. Yay! लेकिन मतलब ऐसा तो बड़ी ड्राई सेलिब्रेशन हो रही, right? We need to do something about that. Wait a second. If you watch the January video, the only favorites video which I did on this channel, that you know, okay, I have divided all of my favorites in different categories, and we'll just hop from one category to another category, and I'll continue telling you कि इस category में मुझे कौन सी अच्छी चीज़ लगी, इसमें मुझे कौन सी अच्छी लगी. Let's start off with my favorite book of the month October, and technically the only book which I was able to finish in October. पता क्या, इसके बाद जो मैंने शुरू किया ना, जो भी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, वो I'm pretty sure वो कभी favorites की वीडियो में नहीं आने वाली. Let's not talk about that. लेकिन the book that I'm referring to here is 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. I'm sure this book needs no introduction. I'm sure आधी अवाम ने तो हमारी ये बुक पहले ही पढ़ी हुई थी. सही है, बाकी जो 50% बचते हैं उसमें 40% अवाम मेरी तरह वाले, उन्होंने अक्टूबर में पढ़ ली थी. I'll explain why. और रिमेनिंग 10% जो हैं, जो बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते, वो तो हैं अजीब. अच्छा, so I had this book for quite long. मैंने खरीदी हुई थी. It was in my TBR for quite some time, but I couldn't bring myself to read a book इतनी मोटी. मतलब I don't have issues with मोटी books. I've read Harry Potter, I've read a lot of story books or books, novels. Story books इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती, लेकिन इस पे I felt like यार something serious है, मतलब I couldn't just play around with it. लेकिन जब अक्टूबर के शुरू में खान साहब ने कहा पढ़ो, तो मैंने कहा yes sir, what better time to read it than October. So I read it in October, and believe me, I just loved it. 40 Rules is based on the life of two men, Shams of Tabriz and Rumi. Now, before I hop on to what this book was about, let me just tell you one thing. I'm not exactly sure how truly this book showed the events in the lives of Rumi or Shams. So I don't want to get into the details because मुझे नहीं पता कितनी बात इसमें सही है, लेकिन जितनी यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है फिट है. I just love it. कुछ dialogues इतने on point हैं that you'll be like, oh, you'll be blown away. इतनी अच्छी book है और इतने lifelong lessons हैं. It's about a spiritual journey, a person trying to find himself or find his purpose in this world. और he also finds another companion, like दोनों के end पे, मतलब एक को एक दूसरा ऐसा companion मिलता है, दूसरे वाले को पहले ऐसा companion मिलता है. So it's just amazing, and you should read this. I think everyone, in fact, वो वाले भी जो बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते उनको बैठ लीजिए तो पढ़ लेनी चाहिए. Another thing which I want to mention here is कि यार, if I have to choose my favorite character against the popular opinion, I'd say I like the character of Shams of Tabriz. I know he's a different kind of guy. He's so like, I don't care about the world, whatever happens. I'm just true to my life, you're true to myself. और मैं जो मेरे दिमाग में आएगा वही करूँगा, और I'll just walk on my path, दुनिया जो मर्जी करे. He's that kind of character. तो ही इज़ माई फेवरेट कैरेक्टर और उसके डायलॉग्स इतने ऑन पॉइंट और इतने रिलेटेबल होते हैं ना. I don't even use pencils on my books. Like literally, I was the kind of kid back in school जिसको literally book पे pencil से लिखते हुए भी कुछ हो रहा होता था, मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखना. But ये ऐसी book है, if you can see that I've literally highlighted so many places in this book क्योंकि इतने अच्छे अच्छे डायलॉग्स होते थे. सी लाइक आई हाईलाइटेड पूरे पैराग्राफ्स, इतने अच्छे डायलॉग्स और इतने अच्छे रूल्स वो डिस्कस करता है पूरी बुक में दैट यू हैव टू रीड इट. तो मैं तो ये सोच रही हूँ कि इन लिस्ट रूल्स को लिस्ट डाउन कर लूँ. What's it? Next up, let's talk about food, and which is technically हम सबकी favorite category in this kind of video. So this time I have 3 food that are in 3 types of foods, 3 categories of food, subcategories. I don't know. 3 तरह की चीजें हैं जो मैं इस category में इस दफा share करूँगी. First we'll talk about Asian Wok, which has suddenly become my favorite place to dine for Oriental food the past month, October. और plus I just loved the place. Ambience was on point. Food was amazing. Every corner was just so picturesque कि आपको कि यार मैं यहाँ भी पिक्चर खिंचवाऊंगा, मैं यहाँ भी पिक्चर खिंचवाऊंगा. The food was like पिक्चर्स को छोड़ो मैं सिर्फ खाना खाऊंगा. डाइनिंग होगी. अब बात करते हैं स्नैकिंग की. तो भाई Cheesiest has just launched their crown crust pizza, which is just amazing. The pizza is super soft, super cheesy, super meaty, and in short, super tasty. Third item in the food category is the chocolate cake, which I got from Crema, which I basically showed you guys in the siblings birthday vlog wala, just surprising my siblings और इस तरह की थी. Obviously, link in description. So Crema se jo I got that chocolate cake. It was so yummy, moist, so chocolatey, literally, and so heavy that you couldn't even finish a single slice in one go. Or maybe you could. I couldn't. पता है इसका क्या सीन था तो वो बहुत मज़े का, everything plus points थे, but I would say it's a little bit on the pricier side. So there are times when you feel like splurging a little bit. तो यार उन दिनों के लिए the best bet. Go for it. Try that out. Also, I leave the link to that video in description. वो बड़े मजे की वीडियो थे. Go check that out. अच्छा, तो the next category, another new category, is the favorite experience of the month. For October, my favorite experience of the month was simply, hands down, Dondurma ice cream. You see the Turkish vlogs जिसमें लोग मतलब आइसक्रीम, वो बंदा आइसक्रीम वाला जो होता है वो जगल कर रहा होता है and you're trying to catch the ice cream. मतलब वो इधर करता है, आप इधर उधर हिला रहे थे. That was such a pathetic representation of the whole idea, but you get the point, right? क्योंकि Dondurma आइसक्रीम का सबको पता होता है. Dondurma ice cream, I shouldn't say that because Dondurma also means ice cream, I think. So we went to that place in Pindi जहाँ वो है, क्योंकि there is this stall recently खुला है. So we went there, we tried that, बड़ा मज़ा आया था. I vlogged the whole experience as usual and I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description. Go check that out. बड़े मज़े की funny सी, and you'll know कि exact location किधर है, so you can go and try that out too. अच्छा, तो सीजन्स या सीरीज जो मैंने देखी वो तो मुझे खास याद नहीं है कि मैंने अक्टूबर में कौन सी देखी, but one thing that stands out is a movie which was Enola Holmes, which I watched and I literally loved it. क्योंकि ऐसा पता है क्या सीन था? I was a bit skeptical at first because I literally love the BBC Sherlock season जो कि Benedict Cumberbatch वाला है. I'm a die-hard fan of that. So उस शो ने बार अब हाई सेट किया है. So I was like nothing can actually counter that or even come closer to that. But when I watched Enola Holmes, I literally enjoyed it. It has the right amount of humor. It is so exciting, gets you excited. It has the mystery and it is Britishy, if that's even a word. And you know we all love British accent, right? You know, I enjoyed it so much कि उसके बाद मैंने Robert Downey Jr. वाली जो series नहीं है, I guess that's the American series Sherlock Holmes वाली, मैंने वो भी देखी and can you believe it? उसमें Jude Law था. I didn't even know that. I was like, how about I do something like favorite चीज़ें तो होती हैं. How about I say my favorite video of the month? So by balloons I meant okay, my favorite video of October was basically of birthdays and weddings, the one which I showed you guys how I planned my younger siblings' birthday surprise. Oh, so I vlogged the whole process. It was fun. उसी में वो crema cake वाला भी है. The link is in description. Go check that out. I really cannot believe that I'm saying this, but literally I spent my October and आधा नवंबर अभी तक in fact listening to Korean songs. Yes. कोई 2 महीने पहले तक भी कोई मुझसे पूछता ना, रुच कभी कोरियन सॉन्ग सुने हैं, कभी कोरियन लोगों को देखा नहीं, मतलब कभी कोरियन शोज देखे हैं? I still haven't watched the Korean shows, लेकिन Korean songs, I've heard them so many times. I've been loving them. I spent my October listening to Blackpink songs, watching Blackpink videos. I even think Blackpink की documentary भी it came around October. I watched that, I enjoyed it. काफ़ी इनकी videos देखे हैं, vlogs देखे हैं. They have this whole series up on I guess YouTube. वो हमने देखी थी. It was so much fun. That was all for my October favorites. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you liked the video. And let me know in the comments इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ आपकी favorite भी है या कौन सी चीज़ if you try out after watching this video. Let me know how your experience went. Also, do check all the videos out. I'll be leaving the links in description. Baki, follow me on Instagram. My handle is onlyroot, just like here on YouTube. I'll see you guys next time. Wait a second. Join the fam by subscribing to this channel. उसके साथ bell बजा के भाग जाएं. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, be a boss.